Welcome back to the camp, my friends. Solo camping today with a Nightcat Hammock Tent. Possibility of some rain on the radar, 50% chance of precipitation. It might happen, it might not. Regardless, it really doesn't matter too much. There's been rainstorms the last few days, thunder and lightning, but this entire area remains dry, and it's one of the benefits of having this camp here. So a nice easy one today. I'm going to shut up and get the hammock tent sorted. I think we're going to use it as a tent today, but we'll play around with it and see what it's all about. So I decided to opt for the hammock setup. We haven't had a hammock camp in quite a while, so I thought it's nice to mix things up, keep things fresh. So here we are, and the rain has arrived. So we're here at camp, and it still needs a little work. I have to finish the fire pit. The clay that I put down has now dried out and cracked, so I need to fill that in and finish it off. But not today. I don't feel like getting too mucky today, so hence why I chose this location, so we could stay out of the rain and not get too wet. But I still need to adjust the tarp, need to move it along ever so slightly and raise it up ever so slightly. So if we get a break in the rain now, then I might move to do that, along with replacing the guy lines for something a little less luminous. So generally, once we pitch camp, it's time for that coffee with the Crusader cook set or the Stanley cook set over the Hexi stove, gas stove, wood stove, campfire, anything that is available to us at that time. However, today we're going with a little more sophistication with this portable coffee machine by Outin. So this thing takes ground coffee or pods, and it is rechargeable. It's actually my first time using it today, so yeah, let's see how it is. So this is actually our coffee cup. Pop that there. Unscrew this. It's real simple to work. Pop that up. We grab our little coffee pod. Today we're using a Lavazza. We pop it in there and we give it a little push. So now it's in there. Basically just pop that back in there. Screw it back in. Make sure it's tight. Pop it into the coffee cup. Top off, water in. Put the top back on. And now all we do, press the button, hold for 2 seconds to the beep, and we wait. So 2 to 3 minutes later and we're golden. It needs a little milk, needs a little sugar, but that's something that we'll manage. That's good. So I'll give you guys a lowdown on the Outin portable coffee machine. in a later video. I want to take a moment to talk about the Nightcat Hammock Tent. We're out here today to run some tests. Perfect conditions for it. The rain has answered. First impressions thus far, I dig it. There's a hell of a lot of room inside that hammock tent. And with the form factor, the multifunctionality and the camo pattern, it's so far so good. According to the specifications, it has a solid waterproof rating on it, so we will see about that. We'll keep our eyes on it and we'll check for any damage periodically. This is probably the greatest meal I've ever cooked while camping, or maybe ever. The flavour with the chorizo, the garlic, the onion, and then a bouillon cube. All soaked up into the rice. I have impressed myself. Morning has arrived. It's funny, in the evening there was this almighty crash, bang, wallop. And apart from that, it's quite a quiet night. So all that noise was just about 15 feet away from us. Got some deadfall. A pretty substantial size as well. Good old thick branches. So although I'm not a fan of hammocks, I did sleep pretty comfortably in this. So much room, and it doesn't swing like your traditional hammock. So I look forward to putting it to use as a bivvy in drier weather. We'll make that happen. Right now the sun is shining, so let's get a coffee on, and then I reckon we're going to sort out this tarp. So I assume with that portable coffee machine, what I'd have to do is just take a small bottle of milk with me and get that milk heated up and then add it to the coffee afterwards. But for now, just a good old 3-in-1 sachet. That will do. Raise it up, move it along a little bit. We've got some paracord here. That blends in a little better than the paracord we have on there currently, so let's sort that out.